Dear students, this is advanced data structure class and today we'll discuss direct access files. A direct access files organization makes the use of techniques to directly map key values of their records to their respective physical location addresses. It makes use of some kind of arithmetic or mathematical function to map the key value. So main advantage of direct mapping of the keys with their addresses is that the retrieval and storage of the record becomes efficient one. You can see in the diagram separate buckets are maintained, bucket 0, bucket 1 up to bucket n. In each bucket the key and addresses are maintained. On the storage area, that is the block of records, the actual records are being placed. So for a particular key, after hashing we'll get the address and direct it will link to the physical location of that particular record. You can see that inside the blocks the records are not in a particular sequence, they are randomly placed. Below you can see the overflow bucket as well. So just by using this type of direct access, the retrieval and storage process, it can be done in a time efficient manner. Hash functions are mainly used in direct files for bringing mapping between the keys and the addresses. Given the file records of R1, R2, Rn with the keys K1, K2, Kn, a hash function h is used to determine the storage address of each of this record in the storage device. So given the key, we can find out the HK, that is the storage address for a particular key. Unlike other file organization where indexes are maintained to track the storage area, this direct file uses the direct mapping of keys to the storage locations of the record. So actually these hash functions yield the bucket number, which is then mapped to the absolute block address in the disk. Buckets are basically designed to handle the collision amongst the keys. So as we know that the group of synonyms share the same bucket. The synonyms, that means this is the set of the keys for which hash value is same. Now in this case the overflow bucket is maintained. A common solution employed here is to maintain a separate overflow bucket with links to the original bucket. Several overflows to the same bucket, it may result multiple overflow buckets, each linked to each other. This may down the performance of the file organization during the retrieval purpose. If the deletion leaves an overflow bucket empty, the bucket is removed and it could be inserted into the linked list of the empty overflow bucket for the future use. So main advantage of this file organization is that the access and the retrieval of the data is efficient if we will compare it with the sequential file organization in which data is placed in sequence. So direct access to that data is not possible. We need to move with the sequence, then only we will reach to the required record which we are looking for. But in a direct access, this retrieval and storage is made efficient just by making using a direct access method, that hashing is the one of the method, or else we can use any of the arithmetic function which will compute the address of the block or the in a storage area for the particular record.